Hello, I'm Michael Carter, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to lay out a rafter. So your required materials are a square, a framing square, you'll need a pencil, and you'll need a calculator. Now the basics you're going to need to know to lay it out, to do the math, is you're going to need your span, you're going to need a slope, and you're going to need to know what size your ridge board is, and your overhang. So you're going to need to know your run, which is half your span, which is going to be 4. So you just divide your span by 2, which will equal 4. And then your slope is a 6 to 12, which if you look on here, there'll be your rafter table, which is all along the top number. And you'll need to find 6. And write down 13, 4, 2. And now you need to find out your thickness of your ridge board, which is a 2x6. So your ridge board would be 1.5 inches thick, which half of that is 3/4 of an inch. And then after you'll add your overhang. 4, 2, which equals 53.68. And then you got to subtract 0.75 because of your ridge board. So we're going to lay out the rafter using a step-off method. So that means you're going to do your step by step by step all the way to the end until you reach the end of your rafter, and then you'll have to make your overhang. Alright, sorry about the break there. We had to go outside because of the noise in the shop. So now after you do your math, you're going to have to convert your decimal into a fraction of an inch. So at the table here, it's 5.2, so it's going to be closer to it's 0.93, which is going to be 15/16. So your final length is going to be 52 and 15/16. So now we're going to start laying out the rafter. Now you're going to come to your end and you're going to do your first layout. So you're going to use the 2 outside measurements. So you're going to put the 12 on the one side. You're going to do a 6. You're going to put it on 12 again. You're going to make your mark at 12 again. You're going to come again. You're going to put the 6 there, 12 there, 6, and then 12 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. And now you got to do your overhang, which is my overhang is going to be 6 inches. So we're just going to line it up here. Mark off 6. And you got lined up there. That's a 0.6 overhang. And then you got to come up here and you got to take off that 3/4 inch of your ridge board. Which is going to be right there. And then again you're going to do your 12 and 6 slope. Line. 0.75. And then you got to come down here and on your last step before your overhang, you got to do a bird's mouth. This side. You're going to line it up. And you're going to bring it to 3.5. Make your mark. And your bird's mouth cut is for when it's going to sit on top of the wall, so this notch is in there, so it's not, so there's more support on there, and that's how you lay out a rafter.